Hey everybody, and welcome to Pastime Collectors. This is my first video of an unboxing or a break. Today going to be opening, as I'm sure you've all seen many times now, a blaster box from, this is just from Walmart, Series 1, TOPPS Baseball. And I also found this sitting on the shelf of Walmart. Wanted to check it out. Just so you guys are aware, I am going to be focusing mostly just on baseball and hockey on this YouTube channel. There's a lot of baseball already out there, so I'm thinking maybe I'll aim a little more towards hockey. Being from Canada, that's a big sport up here. So, like I said, this will be my first video, so what should we start with? Let's start with baseball. Alright. So, just let you guys all know, just getting into this hobby. Haven't really done it much, to be quite honest. Since I was younger, I never really had the opportunity to collect cards and stuff like that, so definitely looking forward to it. I've been watching a lot of other unbreaking or box breaks, stuff like that on YouTube, checking out a lot of websites, so super excited to be getting into it. Can't wait. I won't explain these boxes too much because I'm sure you guys have seen them quite a bit already. But just in case you haven't, I'll let you guys see this here. You can pause the video on it. If it'll come into focus here. There we go. So just pause the video if you want to see what's in this pack. I'm gonna get into hobby boxes later. I couldn't wait, so I ended up buying these from Walmart. Like I said, I'm gonna get into hobby boxes though, so you guys will be able to see those later. So first pack. First pack, we got a Liam Hendriks, ex-Blue Jay right there. Homer Bailey. Noah Syndergaard, league leaders. Bo Jackson, legend card. Evan Longoria. Brandon Moss. The Be More Boppers. Division rival, I don't like them very much. Miggy. Good to be able to see that. I guess I should focus camera here, eh? There we go. Sean Manaea and Miguel Sano. So like I said, I'm just getting into this there, guys, so if I do end up missing anything, just let me know. I was thinking in the future, maybe not this video but later, I'll do hit recaps at the end, so I'll go through and look for short prints and stuff like that. Charlie Blackmon. Daniel Norris, another ex-Blue Jay. Mike Moustakas. Chris Bryant, nice. Not a big fan of these cards. Lou Ferrigno, but oh well, they're in there. Got a Daniel Murphy, Silver Slugger Award. Let you guys see the back, I'm sure you have many times already. Justin Smoke, most overpaid player on our team, I would say. Jake Thompson, rookie card. First rookie card I've got. Carlos Santana and a Rajay Davis, another XJ. Alright, 2 packs down. Brandon Finnegan, Brett Lowry, another XJ. Matt Joyce, Rick Porcello. We've got a Tyler Chatwood, Kenley Jansen, Paul Goldschmidt, I love Goldie. Jonathan Lucroy, representing the States right now at the WBC, doing awesome behind the plate. Chris Young, Jared Weaver, nothing out of that pack. Alright, Chris Sale, no longer a sock. Well, I guess he is, just for a different color. Jared Eichhoff, Francisco Lindor, Austin Jackson. And then and now, Mike Trout. Man, too bad that wasn't a real autograph. I'd have pooped my pants. Jose Altuve, 30th anniversary card. Oh wow, these got very different material. You can tell they're a lot thicker than the other cards. Got a Nomar Mazara. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Topps All-Star. Jesse Han. Orlando. And a Carlos Correa. Alright, next pack. Drew Pomeranz. Tyler Clippard. Spinnenberg. Mookie Betts. Joe Morgan. Buster Posey, nice card. Robbie Grossman. Joaquin Benoit. Short-lived Blue Jay right there. Tyler Chatwood. And Brian Goodwin. Jacoby Jones. Oh, I see something shiny. Tyler Flowers. Joey Votto. John Lester. What do we got here? A Solarte. Series 1. Let's see. Not numbered. Five-tool Correa. That's a nice card. I like that. That's very nice. Like that a lot. You guys can see the back there. What is this? Ken Griffey. These are just the not the real flashback cards. They're just ones that get you excited when you see them. See that there. Cervelli, Kendrick, Barraclaw, and Anibal Sanchez. Jacob deGrom, another rookie card. Matt Strahm, Daniel Murphy, Albert Pujols, David Ortiz, nice, Hank Aaron Award. Don't like the Sox, but gotta love Ortiz. Mike Trout, nice. Another Carlos Correa, Jackie Robinson Day card. Justin Turner, Jason Hayward, down year last year, and Pedro Alvarez. Down to 3 packs, and then one on top of that will be the special pack. Alright, we've got a Jake Barrett, Jonathan Villar, Mike Trout, another Mike Trout, Chris Davis, Corey Dickerson, Felix Hernandez, nice card, 30th anniversary card. One of those thick ones again. Freddie Freeman. Dansby Swanson rookie card. Nice. Kid's going to be good. Good card. Chad Pinder and a Wade LeBlanc. Andrew Kashner. Michael Bourne. Souza Jr. and Alex Gordon. Mother's Day card. Josh Donaldson. Jackie Robinson Day, nice. Tucker Barnhart, sorry. The Cleveland Indians. David Dahl, rookie card, nice. Jamestown, and Tyler White. Alright, last pack before we get the exclusive Jackie Robinson Day patch. Let's see what that is. Oh, I see a Mookie Betts card. Again, I can't cheer for the Sox, but man, they got some good players coming up. Santiago, an Alex Bregman rookie card, nice. What do we got here? Vizcano, Adam Wainwright, a Leslie Jordan first pitch. Wow. Jace Peterson. San Francisco Giants. Jake Arrieta, World Series card. World Series highlights. Zach Britton, guy got ripped off on Cy Young last year. And the Mookie Betts we all seen earlier. And last card in the box. Let's see what it's going to be. Oh, what do we got here? Manny Machado, another division rival. This guy is lighting it up at the WBC right now. He's unreal. Don't like the Orioles, but man, Machado is sick. All right, guys. For a quick recap, I don't think these are worth anything at all. But Silver Slugger, Daniel Murphy. Reliever of the Year, Kenley Jansen. Hank Aaron Award, David Ortiz. And Silver Slugger, Mike Trout. Next up, we had Jackie Robinson Days, Longoria, Goldschmidt, Posey, Correa, Donaldson. We also had Mother's Day, Alex Gordon, and two legends, Bo Jackson and Joe Morgan. One foil card, or whatever you call them nowadays, Solarte, not numbered. We had two 30th anniversary cards, Jose Altuve and Felix Hernandez from 87. 1/5 tool card, Carlos Correa, nice card, nice looking card. Our patch was Manny Machado, nice card also. Damn, camera's not focusing very well. I missed this the first time, but the Series 1, this is numbered out of 2017, you can see. It looks like an 823, so nothing spectacular, but it's something. And then save for last all my rookie cards, because I love rookie cards. So we had a Jake Thompson, a Nomar Mazara. Like this one doesn't have the rookie symbol on it that you can see here, but it does have this, and it says TOPPS All-Star Rookie. So I don't know if it's a rookie card from this year or last year, couldn't tell you, but pulled it out anyways. I'm sure you guys can tell me in the comments. Brian Goodwin, Jacoby Jones, a Matt Strom, Chad Pinder, Dansby Swanson, which I like a lot, that's a nice card, David Dahl, and an Alex Bregman. See, this one has the rookie symbol and that, so I think that Mazara is not. Alright guys, that's a quick recap of the TOPPS Series 1 baseball box. We will now go into the Black Diamonds. So, same as last time, this is the 2013-14 Black Diamond case. I just picked it up because I seen it there. Thought it looked kind of cool. Never know what you hit, I guess, but I don't expect much. Again, here is the side of the box. You guys can pause it if you want to see what you can get in this box. And we'll go from there. Looks like I got 6 packs in here. This is what they look like. Nail Yakupov, kind of been a bust so far, but that's the way it goes. So let's see what we got. It says 5 cards per pack. I don't think I've seen these cards before, so I'm curious to see. Okay, Ray Emery. Oh, well, they look nice. They're all shiny. Ray Emery for the Hawks. Jake Muzzin. Austin Watson. I really don't know what to look for in here. Andrew Shaw, prior to being traded, and a Petrangelo. Let's see the back of these here. There's the Petrangelo. Not bad looking cards though. Okay, Lars Eller, Adam Henrique, Mikael Granlund, Fraser McLaren, and a Mike Ribeiro. On to the third pack, halfway through the box. Got a Ryan O'Reilly, Ryan Johnson, Braden Holtby, Marian Hossa, and a Jack Johnson. Looks like this card's already a little bent. Oh, sorry, that was my third pack there. Johan Franzen, Matt Molson, Wayne Simmons, Nicholas Cronwall, and Evgeny Nabokov. Chris Kunitz, Patrick Marleau, Ryan Getzlaff, Jakub Voracek, and a Dustin Jeffrey. Last pack of this box. Jakob Silverberg, Tyler Ennis, Alexander Semin, Brian Boyle, and the Slava Voinov wearing a purple jersey. Alright guys, not much to recap. I went through and looked quickly to see what I had there, and I had two of these rookie gems you can see here. Checked on the back, they're not numbered or anything, so I doubt there's any value to them. But anyways, got an Austin Watson and a Granlund from the Wild. So that's that. So thanks for tuning in. If you liked it, hit that like button, share, comment if you like. If there's anything you've seen that I missed, let me know. Again, I never opened these packs before, and well, I guess really I never opened any packs. I never seen anybody open these packs before, so that was the first for that. I'll be bringing you another video with some more hockey coming up right away. Also thinking about maybe doing some PlayStation videos with MLB The Show 16 just prior to 17 coming out, and I also do some NHL, so we'll see if I do that or not. But mainly I think we'll focus on the boxes. So again, thanks for tuning in.